Hi guys, hope you're doing well. The product I am going to talk about today is something that has helped me change my life. It claims to be a powerful new formula for supporting healthy weight loss and digestion. The difference between this weight loss product and others is that this does not carry laxatives and which is present in almost all weight loss supplements. Laxatives aren't that effective in the long run. On their website, it also says that the recipe for the tonic is an ancient Japanese secret that will supposedly burn the excess fat. So when I first started using the tonic, I was obviously hesitant. Weight loss products have such a negative connotation. Again, understandably so. The website did, however, do its best to assure me that the product was nothing like widely available supplements. It said that it's not a fat burning pill and it will instead help me feel energized. So it was prepared in a laboratory in the US and is FDA approved. The US adult obesity rate stands at 42.4%, an all-time high, as in it's a proper crisis now. So will this tonic actually help? Well, you see, losing weight isn't easy for some, and it especially wasn't for someone like me. And when you have tried every diet possible and exhausted almost every option, you become hopeless. It's not so much about looking fat as it is about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. And when you're healthier, you look different. So of course, I tried it. The creator and formulator of the product, Dr. Tamaki, claims it's better to buy in bulk, since the tonic apparently works best and is most effective when taken for an extended period of time. It was also recommended to be taken before 10 a.m. every day. For anyone wondering, the flat belly tonic comes in powder form, and to actually take the supplement, you have to mix a spoonful of all natural powder in warm water. I actually saw a difference in the way I moved and felt, which honestly was worth the money I spent on it. I was a lot happier and comfortable being myself. Obviously, some days I forgot to take the supplement, but since it was all natural, I wasn't worried about my body acting weird. The change I saw was gradual, and it even says on the website that the tonic works on different rates for different people. Apparently, some people started needing new clothes within 10 days of drinking the tonic. The more fat you have to burn, the faster it works. Now let's get into the science though, shall we? How does it actually work? The website explains the science behind this product as being able to activate the master fat burning hormone in your body, which targets specific tiny proteins that are apparently the root cause of unhealthy weight gain and obesity. They will convert the stored food into energy and thus get rid of it in an effective manner. The tiny CRP, C-reactive protein, is what blocks the master fat burning hormone in your body. Adiponectin. This often causes inflamed digestion, brain fog, overweight, and fatigue. You know, the symptoms most of us associate with obesity. This is where the tonic comes in and unclogs the hormone and has the potency to activate the powerful fat-burning hormone, adiponectin. This breaks the fat down whilst also supporting healthy glucose levels. The supplement is made of the antioxidant herbs and plants that can resolve a list of health conditions. And while it is inappropriate to use for the general public, if you have a specific condition, it's recommended you consult your doctor first if you're either under medication, pregnant, or breastfeeding. Taking it before 10 a.m. every day may start burning pounds every night and make you lose 1 pound a day, as reported. In case if you wish to get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for yourself, do check the link in description. This is where I got mine at an amazing discount. But flattening your belly isn't the only objective of this tonic. In fact, the website lists several other benefits that frankly have me feeling incredibly zen. Since I don't have to specifically exercise or restrict my food diet at all, I'm much less cranky and can focus on matters others than my food intake. It also makes sure my glucose, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels aren't unstable, which again takes off so much stress off my shoulders. I have noticed my urges to indulge in carbs are definitely lowered, and the 90-day money-back guarantee makes me feel like they're not just after my money. It also supports metabolism, which can increase the rate at which fat burns off from my body. Boosting metabolism whilst having many benefits, can allow for faster oxidation or the conversion of fat into energy in your body, and this equated to easier fat loss and to lose weight. I could feel myself being more active. Another thing, the tonic supports and supposedly improves the digestion, which targets digestion using digestive enzymes. So essentially the same thing that probiotics do, but they work differently. Many enzymes in this product help with digestion, which of course in turn increases the speed of your metabolism. And as I mentioned, that makes losing weight so much easier through its chain processes. I was hesitant about this. You'll see why later, but maybe due to placebo or otherwise, I genuinely felt lighter in a way. I've used the word antioxidant a bunch here, which is just a fancy word the website uses to talk about all the vitamin C that is being provided to your body via these plant extracts. This helps massively with energy and health. Of course, it's important for me to mention that the results I or anyone got aren't replicable to exact measures. First, there is no evidence that any clinical trials or studies were performed using the exact Okinawa flat belly tonic drink recipe, despite what the sales page seems to suggest. In fact, the ingredients list does not mention any glaring enzymes that the product may contain. Since the product mainly relies on its years of experience, happy customers, and mild pseudoscience with little to no scientific evidence, it's understandable if a first-time customer is wary. But this is what the 90-day money-back guarantee is for. The creator assures you on the website. Also claims such as these are made by most, if not all, supplement companies. So what sets Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic apart? Well, the website extensively talks about the ingredients and why they are present in the powder. I won't bore you with the details, but every ingredient is carefully chosen to make sure the sanctity of this ancient Japanese recipe is preserved. You can get one bottle of this tonic for $69 with a small shipping fee, and 3 bottles of tonic will cost you $147, making each bottle $59. Buying 6 bottles will cost you $234, which is $49 per bottle, with a small shipping cost again. I prefer to buy in bulk since it saves me money and time so that I'm not reordering every month. The fact that the company and creator offer money back guarantee makes me trust them a lot more than I would have initially. Since the supplement isn't actually tested with proper research, I can't make any factual claims of its effectiveness, but it has worked out splendidly for me. I would urge you to definitely check it out and do some research yourself if you're still hesitant. So this was all for today. Have you tried Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? How has it worked out for you? Let us know down in the comments below. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.